Jai Makons. Welcome back to our GST multiple choice question, part 2. Question number 16. Recipient of supply of goods means a person. Option A. Who is liable to pay consideration. Option B. To whom the goods are delivered or made available, or to whom possession or use of goods is given or made available. Option C. An agent acting as such on behalf of the recipient in relation to goods supplied. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 17. Recipient for supply of services where no consideration is payable means a person. Option A. Who is liable to pay consideration. Option B. To whom services is rendered, and any reference to a person to whom a supply is made shall be construed as a reference to the recipient of the supply. Option C. An agent acting as such on behalf of the recipient in relation to service supplied. Option D. Both B and C above. The correct answer is option D. Both B and C above. Question number 18. The term casual taxable person includes option A person occasionally supplying goods or services or both in a state or a union territory where he has no fixed place of business. Option B. A person occasionally supplying goods or services or both in a state or a union territory where he has fixed place of business. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A person occasionally supplying goods or services or both in a state or a union territory where he has no fixed place of business. Question number 19. A person who occasionally undertakes transaction involving supply of goods or services or both, whether as principal or agent or in any other capacity, but who has no fixed place of business or residence in India is known as option A. Non-resident taxable person. Option B. Composition dealer. Option C. Registered person. Option D. Casual taxable person. The correct answer is option A. Non-resident taxable person. Question number 20. Amit of Delhi is participating in Ayush Furniture Expo in Haryana, where he has no fixed place of business and exhibiting his products. During the expo, the said products will be sold to the people attending and intending to purchase such product including foreign buyer. In such senior, Amit shall obtain which of the following registration under the CGST Act 2017? Option A. Non-resident taxable person registration. Option B. Casual taxable person registration. Option C. Regular taxpayer registration. Option D. No registration under GST required. The correct answer is option B. Casual taxable person registration. Thank you.